What's up guys? Welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix the Directx error that you see when you open the FC25 game or any game. So basically I'm gonna show you guys the steps you need to do so you can fix it, and also I'm gonna put a link of an article that we put on our official website, theinternetmoola.com, that will show you step by step how to fix this issue on your PC gaming laptop. So the first thing that we're gonna do is click search and search for device manager. Open the device manager and then look for display adapters. So we're gonna click on our graphic card and then click update driver. So if you have NVIDIA, click on that and then click update drivers and then click search automatically for drivers. Once you do that, Windows will take you to the Windows update and then you can check if you have any updates. I'm currently doing some updates to my laptop, so just click here and then you can check the updates. Once you do that, click advanced options and then go to optional updates and check if you have any updates that you can do here, for example this one, and then click download and install. Once you do these two steps, click on this arrow and then search for NVIDIA, or you can click here and search for your graphic card. For example, I have NVIDIA, so I'm gonna click on it and then we're gonna click drivers and install if we have any drivers here as well. So I already installed the latest GeForce drivers. Once we install the last driver, click graphics and then search the game you have the DirectX issue with. For example, I had the issue with FC25, so click on the game, and if you see that the performance is here, which is high or like ultra, make sure you move it to the recommended one NVIDIA shows you. For example, for me, I need to move this one to recommended because my graphic is not like very powerful for this game. So I'm gonna click recommended and move it here. So in case you see that is like high, make sure you move it to recommended. So that will fix the DirectX issue for your game. Or maybe you need like a new laptop if it's not working for you. So make sure it's in the recommended performance, and once you choose that, click save and it will fix the issue for your game. So that's it for this video. If you like, click subscribe and share with your friends, and please don't forget to visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com, to get the latest troubleshooting support. Thank you guys again. Bye.